Hemp seed and hemp oil, often referred to as hemp seed oil, are both derived from the hemp plant, 𝗃𝗵𝗃 sativa, but they have different properties, uses, and nutritional profiles. Hemp seeds. Source: whole seeds of the hemp plant. Nutrition: high in protein, complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Contains fiber, mostly in the hull, good source of magnesium, zinc, iron, and vitamin E. Uses eaten raw or roasted. Added to smoothies, salads, yogurt, or baked goods. Can be ground into hemp protein powder. Hemp seed oil. Source: cold pressed from hemp seeds. Nutrition: high in essential fatty acids, especially ALA and omega-3. No significant protein or fiber. Uses: used as a nutritional oil, for example, in salad dressings, dips, used in skincare for moisturizing and anti-inflammatory effects. Not suitable for high heat cooking, low smoke point. THC content. Both hemp seeds and hemp seed oil contain no THC, the psychoactive compound in marijuana, or only trace amounts that are non-psychoactive and legally permissible. Now here's a clear comparison between hemp seed oil and CBD oil, which are often confused but are quite different. Hemp seed oil and CBD oil are both derived from the hemp plant, 𝗃𝗵𝗃 sativa, but they come from different parts of the plant and serve very different purposes. Hemp seed oil is extracted by cold pressing the seeds of the hemp plant. It contains no cannabinoids such as CBD or THC. However, it is not used for therapeutic or medicinal purposes in the way that CBD oil is. CBD oil, on the other hand, is made by extracting cannabidiol CBD from the flowers, leaves, and stalks of the hemp plant. This oil contains CBD as its active ingredient, which interacts with the body's endocannabinoid system and is often used for its potential benefits in reducing anxiety, inflammation, pain, and improving sleep. CBD oil may come in various forms, including tinctures, capsules, edibles, and topicals, and can be full spectrum, containing other cannabinoids and terpenes, broad spectrum, no THC, or CBD isolate, pure CBD. In summary, hemp seed oil is a nutrient-rich food product, while CBD oil is a wellness supplement used for specific health effects. They're not interchangeable, though they may be found in similar-looking bottles or marketed alongside each other. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.